Hey guys, it's me and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing a craft tutorial on how you can make doll Halloween cookies. This is super easy and I hope you enjoy. For this craft you will need foam in brown colors, scissors, the lid of a miniature mason jar, a toothpick, and then 2 colors of puffy paint, preferably so they coordinate. I'm doing orange and red for Halloween. For step 1, you will need one of your pieces of craft foam and your lid of your mason jar. Start by pressing down the lid of your mason jar into your foam so that way it leaves a dent. You guys can't see it on camera, but it is here. Keep on making these dents till you think you have enough cookies. Now, take your scissors and cut out along the dents that you made with your mason jar lid. Here are my circles of the foam. They aren't perfect, but it's okay. Now, take your puffy paint and draw a circle of it like around the inside of your craft foam. Make sure you leave a bit of the foam on the edge like this, so that way it'll look like a real cookie. Now, fill in your circle. You can use some of the paint that maybe got extra on the outer circle, so that way it'll just dry evenly. Now take your other puffy paint and draw 3 dots on the big circle. Take your toothpick and spread those dots around a bit so you'll get a marbled effect, like this. Now repeat all the painting steps on your other cookies. Now you wait for your cookies to dry. This part can take a while. For watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to subscribe as we upload twice a week. Bye!